Namaste students, Pushpa Vidya. I, JVM Dr. Vaikunthala, Assistant Professor, Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the man and environment. Man and environment relationship, the two words, man and environment, are not new to the human history or the interaction of old as our first human ancestor. Or there is a survival depend of knowledge on it, the concept worshipping of trees, religious spiritual attachment with the plants, or religion is used to largely to ensure the participation in the rituals of ecological balance. Man is the only living organism capable of modifying its surrounding environment according to its needs. Other animals changes according to the environment. First, man starts hunting and the animal and cutting trees on this basis. Okay. So, with the start of the Industrial Revolution, the total scenario changed. Everything changed, and the use of the fossil fuel for generation of power for the running vehicle. Many industries were started to produce the products, and which increased the pollution of all types. Quality of carbon dioxide emissions increased tremendously, which has started showing effect on the discharge of the industrial waste and sewage. Many environment issues arises due to the human activities are growing global as a trade, ozone depletion and the pollution explosion. Emissions of the carbon dioxide and the other gases in atmosphere from fossil fuel burning and other human activity may raise the temperature of the Earth's low atmospheric and 7 degree of by 2050. So this would disrupt the food and the production of the flooding and low-lying coastal cities and crop lands. So the environmental degradation over the centuries has been occurring take place in the country or urban air quality is worst or the watershed and the losing storage capacity reservoirs are full with sediments or solid waste piles up. So some of the components have been changed to such an extent that cannot be set right by the self-regulatory mechanism of the environment. Consequently, the change in the environmental condition adversely affects the living organisms of the biosphere. So the environmental degradation thus can be defined as the lowering of the environmental quality due to the damage caused by both the natural events and the human activity in the basic structures and the environmental qualities which damage and caused by the natural events. The total environment degradation and the pollution arises mainly due to the consumption of the natural resources. Impact of the technology on the environment and the technology is developed and used for the human well-being and the intelligent application of the technology. So the direct and indirect impacts on the environment by the environmental degradation has led to the destruction or the degradation are volcano eruption, forest fires, earthquake, floods, maybe some of the examples of the causing pollution and degradation of the environment under nuclear explosion, releasing toxic gases, impact of the technology on environment by the human. This technology is developed and used for the human well-being. The intelligent application of the technology results in the human being was like causing the environmental disruption by determining or well-being. Okay. So no technology can be completely free of environmental impact. Thus, we have to minimize the environmental uh, effect, which may be minimizing the minimum effect on the environment. Okay. So, some of the worthy negative impacts of the technology can be like the depletion of the ozone layer or protection of the earth or UV damage or caused by the preliminary CFC emission, excessive use of the increasing pollution of the water or air or land and can causing the other technology, electromagnetic waves, thus excessive use of the electronic gadgets or the e-waste technologies, which can be leading to the environmental impact. Thus, we have to minimize the effect on environment. Thank you. This session is powered by